If you're wondering how to link your Housecall Pro script in Google Ads, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can start optimizing your ads and tracking results in no time. And trust me, this can make a huge difference in your ad performance, especially if you're new to the software. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one business management tool designed for service-based businesses. Whether you're handling scheduling, invoicing, payments, or marketing, this tool can help you automate everything so that you can focus on the bigger picture. But one of its best features is its ability to integrate seamlessly with your Google Ads campaigns. Linking Housecall Pro with Google Ads allows you to track conversions from your ads and see which ones are driving actual business results. To get started, the first thing you'll need is an active Housecall Pro account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up and get a free trial through the first link below, which comes with some exclusive bonuses to help you get up and running quickly. It's a great way to try the software without any risk. Once you're set up in Housecall Pro, head over to your Google Ads account. You'll need to create a new conversion action in Google Ads to track the results from Housecall Pro. This is key because it allows you to see which leads are coming from your ads and which ones are turning into actual customers. It's all about improving your ad spend ROI. Next, go to the Tools and Settings menu in Google Ads, click on Conversions, and then click the blue plus sign to create a new conversion. You'll want to choose website as the type of conversion you want to track. Google Ads will walk you through setting it up, but here's the trick. In the conversion tracking setup, you'll be adding a special script from Housecall Pro that ties your account with Google Ads. This script ensures that every time a lead converts, whether it's a call or a booked appointment, you'll be able to see it directly in your Google Ads dashboard. Now, to get that Housecall Pro script, you'll need to go to your Housecall Pro account, find the Google Ads integration section, and grab the tracking code. You'll then paste this code into the conversion action you created earlier in Google Ads. This is where a lot of people get stuck, but don't worry, it's straightforward if you follow these steps. Once your script is in place, test it out. Make sure you've got your Google Ads conversion tracking set up correctly by running a quick test on your website. Visit the page linked to your conversion action, trigger the conversion, like submitting a form or booking a service, and check in Google Ads to see if it registers. You should be good to go. Linking Housecall Pro to Google Ads doesn't just give you better tracking. It helps you optimize your ad campaigns. With better data, you can make more informed decisions about where to allocate your ad budget. Are certain ads driving higher quality leads? Now you can tell. You can even adjust your bidding strategy in Google Ads to target the best performing conversions, making sure you're spending smartly. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get Housecall Pro for free from the link in the description below. You'll get access to an extended free trial, giving you plenty of time to try out all of its features and see how it works with your Google Ads. This is a powerful combination that can truly boost your business's marketing efforts. So there you have it, how to link Housecall Pro script in Google Ads. It's a simple process with a huge payoff. Don't forget to check out the first link for your exclusive free trial and bonuses. That's all for today's tutorial.